Dual camera system signal pairing instruction. Switch channel to camera 1 with button channel. Press menu button. Pick the pairing bar and press button select to start signal pairing. Press the pair button at the side of the camera. Press and hold it for about 3 or 5 seconds. Then wait about 10 seconds. Signal paired. Now switch to camera 2. Press menu button to open menu. Pick pairing bar and press the button select to start signal pairing. Press the pair button at the side of the second camera. Press and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. Wait about 10 seconds. Signal paired.